India Journal. I welcome all of you to this seminar on professional cleaning solutions and maintenance. As you all know, Clean India Journal is India's leading magazine on cleaning technology and maintenance. In addition to their publishing activity, they are also the organizers of an exhibition on cleaning technology and allied products. The 10th edition of Clean India Show 2013, Asia's leading exhibition on cleaning technology, is being organized at the MMRDA grounds, Mumbai on December 5th to 7th, 2013. The show will exhibit cleaning solutions for various industries. As a curtain raiser for this exhibition, Clean India Journal has organized a series of seminars in many principal towns and cities of India. Today's seminar is a part of this series. Having recognized the importance of this seminar, the Chamber has joined hands with Clean India Journal to make the local manufacturing, hospitality and healthcare industry aware of the latest trends in cleaning technologies. I'm sure this seminar will offer you better and cost-effective solutions to your cleaning problems, and the new technology and products will enhance the efficiency of your staff. So on behalf of the Chamber and on behalf of Clean India Journal, I welcome you all once again and hope you will have fruitful discussions. We have invited Mr. Arvind Bagania, Center Head of Wockhardt Hospitals, Goa, to be the chief guest at this inaugural function. I request Ms. Mohana, Managing Editor of Clean India Journal, to kindly welcome Mr. Bagania with a bouquet of flowers. Thank you, Mohana. I now request Mr. Bagania to kindly light the lamp and inaugurate. Mr. Bagania to kindly address the participants and also give us his perspective on the need of effective cleaning solutions in the industry in Goa.
Cleaning is an art. I would say it's an art and science. It is not something which everyone can do, and we have seen it in my career with the healthcare for last 13 years. I have seen how important it is for cleaning in a hospital. I come from Wockhardt Hospitals here in Goa, and we are one of the largest hospitals providing super specialty services, and it is very important for us to have a clean environment. Number one, because of patient safety. Infection has to be zero. It cannot be 0.1% also. So we take care of cleaning from that perspective, ensuring that our corridors are clean, our patient rooms are clean, patient beds are clean, and everything else is clean around it as well.
I now request Ms. Mohana, Managing Editor of Clean India Journal, to tell you a little more about today's seminar, the forthcoming exhibition.
Thank you, Mr. Arvind, for taking out time and coming out to inaugurate this special session on professional cleaning solutions. As Mr. Kamath has briefed you, that Clean India Journal, one of the leading publications in India, which is focusing only on cleaning technology, maintenance solutions and hygiene for each and every segment. When we say each and every segment, we're talking of each and every industry, right from the airport to any common office to their washrooms. The main idea of bringing out a magazine like this, which has been in existence since 2005, is to educate the end user or the companies that there are professional cleaning solutions, which is not just going to keep your premises clean, but give you a solution which is going to enhance your productivity, your performance, and ensure that you're working in an environment which is clean, which keeps you happy and healthy. And I'm sure everybody would agree here, when you're happy and healthy, your performance is going to multiply, and naturally the companies are going to benefit with more profits. So in this session, special session of Clean India Journal, like he said, is a precursor to our Clean India show, wherein we have more than 350 brands of cleaning equipment, tools, chemicals, accessories, which will be showcased in Mumbai at the MMRDA grounds from December 5 to 7. There are exhibitors coming in from all over the world, and also visitors who are coming from different countries to understand what is the potential and what kind of new solutions that they can offer to the companies here. So whoever is present here, I personally invite you all to be there, mark your dates and ensure that you know what are these solutions. And with this, I would again like to thank the Goa Chamber of Commerce for joining hands with Clean India Journal to make this event possible and to reach out this information to you all. And Mr. Bagaria, thank you very much once again. I hand over the stage to Mr. Tony and Mr. Sunil Kapoor.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
And first, I would like to give a small introduction about ourselves, and then we take you forward for what company we represent, and then solutions for the variety of cleaning tasks and applications. It's going to be a little challenge, but nevertheless, since the crowd, caters from some from industries, some from other segments, but we have tried our best to make this presentation, which is friendly to all, and you will find a lot of solutions to the problems that different application areas face. So first of all, a very big thank you for the organizers for giving us this opportunity to come here and speak about cleaning. Also for the chief guests and the organizer, that is the Chamber of Commerce here. A small introduction about myself. My name is Sunil Kapoor, and I've been associated with this industry for as good as 21 years now, and with the brand Karcher for 12 and a half years now. Two things I quickly remember this morning, what has progressed over these years is long time back, my wife used to call me a Safai Karamchari, but lately she has started calling me dignified sweeper. So the industry has progressed. And the second thing is, long time back, when we used to have seminars some 20 years back, then we used to have, I remember the time when we had two people in this seminar. One was myself and the other was me in the mirror. But today we have such a big gathering, so let's clap and welcome to Goa. Now to my colleague.
My name is Tony Charul. I'm associated with this company for last 2 years and with the clean industry for last 2 years. I've been with Indian Air Force for 15 years, then joined a company by the name Arvind Mills, then to this company. So coming down to these seminars, it's the fourth such seminar under the aegis of Clean India. We have been participating. We have been associating with Clean India since its inception, and Clean India being a pioneer in actually enhancing the reach of better technologies to the nook and corners of India, and it's part of their continuous campaign that cleaning industry has gained substantially over the years. And we thank Clean India and all of you here who are very enthusiastic today morning to go through the sessions. So thank you very much for being here, and a very pleasant morning to all of you. Thank you very much.
And I must also mention, this is not the first time that the electronics gadgets have failed. So please bear with us a few moments. I'll try to fix it. Whose laptop is this? Who are representing us in Goa, and we have a sales and service network already established in Goa. So we are not new in Goa. The solutions are already available, and then the task is to get your questions and for us to see what applications you have, and then we can make the right recommendation.
We use road sweeper machine, ride-on road sweeper we have, and we use general road sweeper machine that is from Roots people.
Right.
So in all plants we use that only because brooming is not allowed in Patna.
Absolutely. So you've answered, you've done our job.
Yeah, we use Karcher, then single disc, then scrubbers, scrubber and dryer.
So what has been your experience by making a mechanized? Like you say, it is not allowed, but what has been?
Yeah, actually it helps to those who are cleaning exactly because it enhances their capability and they can see whether it is cleaned or not at least. Because if they broom, what exactly happens that if they broom, they can overlook some cleanliness and all. But since they are using those machines, at least they have some time to look their quality of cleaning,
Right.
and they can give the feedback on it. Thank you.
You go around two buildings. It's like 8 flats of building.
Right.
Cover the entire outside corridor area there.
Yeah.
Even a few parties.
So to help you, we have some data with us.
Maybe KDR
we have a benchmark around 8,000 square feet to 10,000 square feet. A person should do within
Around 800 to square meters, if I calculate.
Yeah.
In an hour.
Also, a man cannot do the job more than 5 hours. Mona, if you remember 5 years or 6 years back when we were doing a show in Bombay, the municipal commissioner of Bombay, he expressed a very valid point, and he said, the average sweeping life of the Safai Karamchari does not go beyond 50 years because his back.
Absolutely.
Imagine this poor man who's bent down and who's doing 5 to 6 hours of sweeping every day in and day out. His back has gone. I'm sorry, but his life is also half finished.
Sir, we are also using the road sweeper machine, but we have one problem. In the cold environmental condition, it is dusting is very well cleaning.
Sorry,
but
can you just come again with that, please?
hello.
Yeah.
In a cold condition, environmental condition, it is very well cleaning. But in a dry condition, in the summer or in these times, it is not clear.
Yeah, that's
I'll tell you why.
जब वो ठंडी का दिन रहता है तो अच्छा चलता है डस्ट क्लीनर यानी जो धूप काले के दिन में क्या होता है कि उसका डस्ट ड्राई होने की वजह से ज्यादा वो dry होता है।
See,
Dusting ज़्यादा है।
मेरे पास वो
The assessment,
machines है वो।
absolutely understood. The assessment of any sweeping machine, any from smallest to the largest, is done by the type and the size of the filter inside the machine. Small or the filter efficiency is not good,
सन का उसको difference ये
Yeah, I'll tell you.
सन compared-
it will not happen.
जैसे dry हो, जैसे
It
dry
will not happen if your filters are not working to their efficiency. Because what happens? Filter is one element which stops the dust within the machine, and whatever goes out is only air.
Johnny does doing direct housekeeping. We are managing housekeeping in our stores. We are from retail industry, Infinity Retail Limited, Troma stores, okay, where we are handling separate
Electronics.
regions. Yes. So here, what I wanted to ask you that, of course, getting into that deep, whether how to clean these things. Rather than that, if you include the topic like this is what the manpower required, per cleaning, what is the 8,000 square feet, 10,000 square feet store. If we are using, a machine, how much that, the cost can be, what is that, saved or reduced, okay, and with how much quality and with how much time the consumption.
You have a packet with the magazine with you.
Yes,
It also
yes.
has a brochure from us,
Alright.
and this tells you the area coverage of the machines
Per hour.
on hourly basis.
All right.
I want to ask you a question. You've spoken about all types of cleaning, your floor cleaning or your shampooing. I think we have not taken up high cleaning. Like for example, I'll give you, there are some lampshades which are dangling on the industrial areas, which are at the height of 40 feet.
I'll tell you.
So it's full of dust, and we tried using a telescopic pole also.
No, I'll
with
tell
the
you.
brush.
See, this is a different game. There is an institute, and I think
So
it's
there is
different.
no thing for cleaning.
Chandeliers and these things, no, not us. We do not.
What about the cobwebs at the height of 60 feet in the industries?
See, a telescopic pole is always available, which
Telescopic
around-
is 40 feet, I think, last.
Yeah, that's last.
You don't get above that.
No, you have one more, and but then it is not used for dry cleaning.
For
It
glass
is used
cleaning.
for dispensing of deionized water on facades which are too high, and then deionized water is put into it. Cleaning is done, and then
But
that
won't
you
help.
cannot use on
That will
dry.
not help.
But please,
So there is no solution for these two things?
chandeliers is a different game.
Not chandeliers, lampshades.
Lamps also is part of that.
And
So-
what about the cobwebs on the height?
Cobwebs maximum is what you mentioned is.
Yes, 40 feet
Then
plus.
you use the ladders
Yeah.
and then try to reach.
Yeah, but that is what I should take to strain your neck, or you cannot look on top of the neck.
Unfortunately, there's no solution.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I'm sorry, there's no solution.
If you come to the Clean India show, we will have facade cleaning equipment also included there, where you can use scissor lifts, etc.
Madam, I've been there. I've been to Bombay actually when there was a show in Bombay.
Right,
I've seen all those things.
right.
But then it falls too expensive and companies cannot afford to buy that just to, many of the companies.
Okay.
They don't want to invest in buying those ladders.
Okay. So then the access point
So I want to
remains.
know what is the solution. They want it the easy way, How can you get it done? They're willing to spend the minimum, say, not to the extent of buying those ladders and all that.
Absolutely. So we will look at this.
So I just want to know the solution.
Yeah, I think we have.
Maybe Mohana, you can ask them to rent it out or something.
Hi, I'm Sudhir from Post Facility. We do it for a few of our clients. And since most of our client is industries, in some cases the height is more than 60 feet also.
Yes.
In some places what happens, the client they themselves provide cherry pickers for boom lifters. Or else there is one wing which is purely they are working on, we call it high-rise cleaning. They are specially trained, they are given a license and they come and do this activity. And it's not always very expensive, wherein you have to actually buy this. This is available on the rent also. If you have any specific requirement in and around Goa or anywhere in India, we can help you with that.
Excellent. So that's the utility of having a seminar with experts. Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Sir, we are managing our cleaning service by the scrubber machines on manually, all these things, and that is why by the machine we can reduce the manpower because of one machine clean by the use of one man. The whole cleaning is done in one shift by the people, one person. Each area is cleaned by the machine. That is why we have a problem with the gelatin reactors, which are
How many KL?
around about 1000 kL.
Okay.
There are rusting of gelatin on the inside of the gelatin reactor, which is not by the removed by the pressure gun also.
And how many agitating blades you have? Is it a vertical agitating blade inside? It's
Vertically.
Your blade is straight like this?
Not somewhat
From the side?
Yeah.
No problem. Even, you talk about higher reactors, we have equipment which is a pump and you attach a spray head again into different sizes. You can even have one or two spray heads as a tripod going inside both sides of the reactor, and it goes alkaline or acidic solutions, putting into it, and you get the results. So it's just not a problem. We already have a lot of customers in India, and it's all automatic. It's all automatic. You don't have to do anything. Just start the button, and the job is done within, I would say, 1 kL reactor, 4 minutes.
That scrubber machine, because we have metallic chlorine, where there is oil deposition. Metallic chlorine.
Check the tiles.
Check the tiles. Total metals is required. And on that we have hydraulic rolls are moving where there is constant oil leak or the fluid is moving. And there is accumulation of dust and carbon, clay and everything. Chlorine gets dirty. You cannot pull the trolley. What type of brush you would recommend? Because you are brushes wet go not or motor gets stripped quite often.
Now I'll tell you, when you're talking about a metallic surface, and in that metallic surface, if it's a checkered tape, the tendency of the floor is something like this. It's not absolutely plain. So the task is to remove the dust from that small, portion which is coming up. So there are brushes which are designed in such a way. For example, here, if you see, this is absolutely straight. But in those brushes, some portions are out and some portions are inside.
So the role of the portions which are outside is to clean those surfaces, and rest of the job is done by this. So these brushes are uneven, intentionally designed, and they will do the job very good. Number one. Number two, even you can use pads. If the pads don't work, then go to those brushes which are uneven. Even in roller brushes, these are disc brushes. Even in why not? Absolutely. Absolutely. Tire industry here in Goa.
Authority design from Shifa and Meneses India Private Limited. We are doing a business of toothbrushes manufacturing.
I see. Hold it close to your mouth.
We are doing manufacturing toothbrushes. So according to me, coming here was best part of my day. So I got lot of knowledge from you, sir. Thank you very much.
I hand over the stage to Vijay from Best Practice Washrooms. Thank you.
I must thank Clean India and especially Warner for giving me this opportunity. Beyond that, giving me this challenge to keep you all awake. So let us have, because I think so many people before me talked, those are very knowledgeable from their own industry also. So everybody said is cleaning, servicing is not a duty. It is the art. Like our speaker who talked early in the morning. Then culture people talked. It is service and learning process.
The suppliers, so they used to collect all these things and they had to incinerate. So there is no provision for incinerations and all. So because it was not permitted to.
Yeah. Initially, while starting these services, we approached those authorities. They said, "Yes, that thing is processed and it will get constructed in a few months." We were just waiting. But after that, we got indication. Better this high time. Let us stop this because we cannot throw it on the normal ground. So I think it is a loss to the business also. Even the best hotel in Fidalgo, we removed. From most of the places we removed.
And it was suggested actually by the foreign auditors and all, like WHO, US FDA. They suggested to install there.
Why don't you send it to Bombay?
Yeah.
Why can't you send it to Bombay? Bombay, why can't you send it to Mumbai? Many people.
Bombay, we have got incineration plant.
No, 1 minute. I will add here. In fact, unfortunately, even though the Goa government wants to install an incineration plant in Goa here, the people are not agreeing to it. Out of fear or out of some conventional, traditional thought processes, this is not happening. And that is the reason why there is no incineration plant in Goa.
No, we have got an incinerator. We are.
That is just one, the medical, but they are not accepting all the other hospitals to come and use it. So there is just one that is handled by the medical college actually. So unfortunately, this kind of processes, especially where we are talking about used sanitary pads, which needs to be incinerated and which is happening in all other places, but is not happening in Goa.
Once they enter into washrooms, it's like they should not feel that, or they should not feel sorry for coming there. That's what the major concern is for us. So
It's the image of the place.
Yeah, that's true. Because it's like Reliance is relying on us for those things. So we have to maintain our standards there, cleanliness standards.
Reliance Fresh?
Yeah, Reliance Fresh, Reliance Digital, all formats we are looking after for Reliance.
So you have deputed a person for each.
Yeah, we generally do is we depute a person because though there are some gadgets, we can't say that they will be operated by the people for their requirements, but it's like they'll use it and they'll go off. So we have to look into the hygiene for the people and for the name of the Reliance also.
Yes, we have their stores also. What they requested You install the dispensers and give us the refills in lump sum, in whatever the quantity, in lump sum quantity. We preferred, will not give that lump sum quantity. Instead of that, our person will come to your place to replace the refill. But because of that, some statistics matters and anything, we prefer to not to do the service at your Reliance Fresh stores, because initially we started. But because of this particular matter, we stopped that. Still we are doing Reliance for last 6 years.
We are using the hand sanitizer, hand and also wash with one time.
Automatic. Yeah.
Automatic.
It is.
कंप्लीट होने के बाद ही आदमी आगे निकल सकता है।
अच्छा, yes, third point, digital has when delivering the efficient systems that have won trust. Because
take it up in the center of your hand. This is a small input because I got folks specially to explain it to me. They say you have to take it clockwise and please rub it out. Don't rub it in, which we have the habit of doing this, which is wrong. Please rub it out. You have to rub the sanitizer out.
if I can help, please let me know. My organization, my company's email ID is info@bpw.co.in. Whatever queries you have, but don't forget to mention the reference of this seminar, that is professional cleaning and maintenance solutions through Clean India. So definitely, whenever any such type of mail comes on this info mail, definitely it will come to me, because I know what information I shared with you. Accordingly, I'll be able to help you to come out with a solution, whatever the site you have. And I'm sure, whatever the kind of site you have, there is a solution. Let us try to find out very good customized solution which will benefit in returns of money. Thank you all.